Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello everyone! Today we're bringing you the latest on the Englot couple. As their current series reaches its finale. Their acting and connection only seem to get stronger and more impressive. The two recently attended a fan meeting together, but it's what happened after the event that has fans talking. Enfa was seen taking Charlotte back after the event ended. Fans are buzzing with curiosity. Was Enfa just dropping her off, or did they head back? To the same place because they are living together. This has sparked a lot of shippable theories and excitement among the fan base. Are they just close friends, or is there something more to their living situation? This is a highly anticipated project starring Enfa and Charlotte. So, what do you think, Englot fans? Do you believe the theories that they've moved in together? Or are they just the ultimate best friends supporting each other? One thing is for sure. Their support for one another is beautiful to watch. Drop your theories in the comments below. I want to read them all. And if you love Enfa and Charlotte, as much as we do, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update on your favorite couple. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.